Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I wanted to share with you my December daily from 2022, and the reason why I wanted to share it with you is because I just purchased the holiday event kit for 2023. This was designed by Vicki Boutin. She is an unbelievable teacher person. I've met her many times through Crop and Create in-person events, and I had to sign up for this last year. I've done December dailies because it's a really wonderful snapshot of our lives every month, every year, and I was getting a little bored, not really sure what to do different in my albums, and I just needed a little re-energizing of my December dailies. So I decided to sign up for one of her classes, and it did not disappoint. There are so many places to put photos, which is a big thing for me because I take a lot of pictures over the holidays, and to have like all these little tuck spots and places where you can have fold outs for pictures really makes it a great way to get a lot of pictures in one album. Our lives have a lot going on in the month of December, so even things like my daughter's birthday gets captured. The little things that, like, my kids go to a concert, sometimes you only have one little thing and one little picture, but I try to take at least one picture every single day, and then it balances out with some of the photo heavy days where we go on a little trip or do something special. Here is like an example of how all of her pages can provide so many opportunities for photos because she has all these little flip-ups that make it easy to get a lot of pictures on a page, or there's little pockets where you can just tuck things in, and then you could have your journaling separate. And because you have pockets, you can put as many pages as you want in these, and it doesn't take up a lot of space or a lot of time getting them all into the album. So the event class that she does actually is more than just this December daily, but that's the main reason why I purchased this kit, is because I like to do a December daily, and this makes it so easy to get the project done. And I'm going to show you an example. So like, here's my daughter's birthday. Sophia brought all of teachers' gifts with her, and we had a card from one of her teachers saying thank you for the gift that she gave. So that goes right here in this pocket. So we have everything here all laid out, easy to put together. Everything, save all of your memorabilia in one spot. I made a little shaker mix, and I would add it into some pockets here and there. I probably will go back and stitch this to seal it up now that the album is done on both sides. I just used washi to kind of keep that held in there. And it really is amazing how many pictures that you can get on one little piece of paper. It kind of reminds me of a junk journal, the way that there's lots of flip-ups and pull-outs and little bits of ephemera and pieces of saved memorabilia. This was a very picture heavy day, and I have just all of these pictures just tucked into pockets here so that nothing gets missed or left out, but it would be really easy for people to go back later on and look through and remember that specific day. this is a pocket here. So this was a really neat sort of fold out. There was another pocket as well that went inside of this pocket here, but because it was so thick, I actually moved it to this album cover because it was just taking up too much bulk space in here. So I'll go back and I'll label that. But you can see all of the beautiful pages that were easy to create and all the places that was easy to add photos. I am going to show you a box of leftovers so you can see how much stuff I have left over from the kit as well. And that way you'll be able to see. I also have an unboxing video which I can link for you here, and that way you can see all of the supplies that came in the box before I used it. I'll show you at the end what's left, and then you'll have a really good understanding of what you would expect in the next kit. So the next kit that she has available that I just ordered was Peppermint Kisses. So it was $215. I also ordered a tape roll for $4. My total came to $219, $22 for tax, $31 for shipping. So it came to a total of $272, and that's because I added that additional $4 roll of tape on there. And that gives you everything that you need to make your December daily for 2023, including the album and the instructions, the class, online virtual class hosted by Vicki. Here's what's left from my kit. So here's an example of everything that she gave to us. These stickers, this package of numbers, the chipboard stickers, a package of like a sticker book with 235 stickers, these puffy stickers, these enamel dots. But this is what I have left after my album is all put together. Now, she does offer Christmas card classes and 12 by 12 layout classes in addition to the album. So you don't just walk away with a finished mini album or December daily. You also walk away with all these supplies and or the other projects. You can use up all the products yourself, or you can make the other things that she has classes for. I didn't even open my stamps or stencils, but they were included for the price in the kit. There you go there. I'm going to show you about how I make my December daily as well. Okay, so you get the 6x8 paper pad. This is what I have left. So some sheets there. You get the 12 by 12 chipboard stickers. Here are some extra pages from things that we already cut apart. You get these matching coordinated cardstocks and some 12 by 12 independent sheets of paper. I'm just showing you what we have left. If you want to see the whole unboxing, you can see that on my channel as well. See what came in it originally. That's what's left there. This is what's left of the 12 by 12 paper pad. There you go. So all in all, a really good deal. Now here's how I make my December daily. Every day I take pictures and I do notes on my iPhone in the notes. Then I print out the pages of journaling and I cut them all out per day and I stuff them in an envelope. The journaling for December 2nd goes in this. For December 3rd goes in this. And then I do the same thing with my photos. I print them all out and then I add them into each envelope. I actually printed doubles of this one by mistake, but here's an example. Like I just tuck in the pictures and I tuck in the journaling, and then when I am ready to create, it doesn't matter if I do it the next day or if I do it the next year. I have everything organized in my little envelopes, page by page. I just say, okay, working on December 2nd, take out your journaling, take out your pictures, and start putting them in the album. And so I would, for December 2nd, I would take out just this one picture and this. And so it's like, well, that's all I have. Okay, all I have to do is decorate. Actually, this probably was the 2nd as well. I just have to decorate these things from this envelope and then move to the next page. Now we have December 3rd. And I would go to the next envelope and I'd say, okay, December 3rd, take out the pictures. And here's the journaling, put it in place. The nice thing about Vicki's albums, because everything matches, it's all the same collection. If I have a lot of pictures on the 3rd, but not a lot of space on this page, I can say, well, let's find a page that has all kinds of flip outs so that I can add all of these pictures into that page where I have more space. So you can really maneuver it around and make it your own. This is by far the easiest way to do a December daily, to get everything done and to not feel any pressure to have it done as you go, day by day. Because some people do that. Some people will say, okay, it's December 4th, start taking their pictures, and you can do that as well. Either way, if you do Vicki's class, you have the album pre-made, ready to go, and it would also make it very easy to go day by day, print out your picture and your journaling, put them in the album, and then move on to the next day. But because December is so busy, I try not to do all of the scrapbooking day by day. That's why I use my envelope system. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already liked or subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you here. I do unboxings and crafty videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.